Hello, this video is part 2 of factoring by grouping. So grouping means we are going to group this expression of 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4, into groups of 2 terms. So the one in black is going to be one of the terms. And on this one, I will include the negative because the negative does play a different role than if you just have a plus like we had on the previous problem. Let's start by factoring the greatest common monomial factor on the one in black. So let's start with which number divides both 40 and 32? 8. 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. Bring down the variables for now. X cubed plus 32 divided by 8 is 4. Bring down the x squared. Now we have to see if we can factor out a letter. The 5x cubed has x times x times x, so 3x is being multiplied. The 4x squared has x times x, 2x is being multiplied. We have to determine what is the biggest number of x's that they both have in common. They both have in common 2 x's. That's the biggest number that both terms have in common. So 2 x's being multiplied times each other will be coming out. We already had the 8, bring it down. So now we have x times x is x squared. These two are gone. These two are gone. And we just bring down whatever we haven't factored out. The 5 we bring down. And we have only one x left. I'll bring that x down. Plus, on the 4x squared, we still have the 4. The x squared was factored out. It's right here on the outside. So the second term no longer has an x. Now we are ready to move on to the green section. What do negative 25 and negative 20 have in common? They have in common that they are both divisible by negative 5. So negative 5 will be moving out. Negative 25 divided by 5. Again, negative divided by a negative becomes a positive. So this would be 5x. Negative 20 divided by 5 is positive 4. We cannot factor any letters, any x's in this case, because the 4 does not have any variable. So we are just going to bring this whole section in green down. Minus 5, 5x plus 4. Similarly to the problems that were easier and I showed earlier in video number 1, both terms have the 5x plus 4 in common. We are going to factor that to the front. 5x plus 4. And then whatever was not moved to the front, meaning everything I didn't underline, will be on the second parenthesis. Bring the 8x squared and also bring down the minus 5. And this would be our factor form using the grouping method.